In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can convert a PDF to a Word document on your mobile. So you can open up any old browser on your phone, and in this case I've opened up Google Chrome, and you want to go ahead and search for File Converter. You tap search, and then it's going to bring you up some results. It's going to bring up some app results and some website results. We want to use the website of the first result. So the website is onlineconvert.com, and I'll put that in the description so you can just go ahead and tap on that. And now you want to scroll down to where it says PDF to Word. You tap on that, and now it says choose files in the green box in the middle. You tap on choose files, and you want to go ahead and choose the PDF file from your files location. Tap on files, and I have a PDF document right here, so I'm going to go ahead and choose that. That's going to upload the PDF document. Now you want to go ahead and tap on start conversion. It's going to be processing for quite a bit, so I'll be back once that has finished processing. The PDF document has now been processed, and it has been converted to a Word document, so I can go ahead and download it by tapping on this green button to download the video. And you can see it is a .docx. So that is a Word document. So I can go ahead and tap on download, and that has downloaded the Word document to my mobile device. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.